Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to optimize your Google Calendar. So let's start. Well, I give you some options that helps you a lot to use Google Calendar and to keep organize your day. So first is sign across devices. Automatically you can sign with any device with your Google account and to sign it. So also you can integration with other apps. So for doing it, you can go to settings and then go to under integrations or within connect apps, for example Gmail, events or something like that. For example here, just go to settings and here you will find it, so how you can do it, etc. Also you can find here event settings if you want to modify events, invite others, see gets list, etc. So here you can do it if you want. Also you can find working hours, so also it's on settings and you will find here the working hours. If you find here on the options you can see uh, the working hours and location to specify your schedule, so you can check here at calendars or working hours, etc. So you can check here, and if you want to see for example events, time zone, language, you can find here to modify it. And if you back here you can find also the events. If you want to create something you can go to event and here add an event, also the day, if you want to add a guest, and board meet, add location, etc. And you can get to save and you can find it very easy. So that's how it works. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. If you delete something you can go to trash and you will find here an event that you deleted. And also here you can find by week, day, month, year, or schedule. If you find here you can add a schedule as well. And also here on settings you can find a new appearance. If you like by dark, device default, or something like that, you can select whatever you want or whatever you prefer. So that's it, how you can use calendar and optimize your use. So I hope this information helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.